Hi, this is Larry. Thank you for joining me again. I'm coming to you from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The purpose of this particular playlist is we're going to talk all about the investment options available to you here in the country of Brazil. A lot of people don't realize this, but Brazil has a very robust investment universe. There are a lot of different products, very simple to the very complex, that are available to investors here in the country, but it also includes products that are available to expatriates that have decided to make Brazil their home. So, over the next few weeks, months, and years, I'll be addressing a lot of different options from the very simple to the more complex right here on this particular playlist. So, I hope that you'll subscribe today, tap that bell, and you'll be notified as I roll these videos out over the next few weeks, months, and years. Thanks again for being with me.